Okay, so we've pretty well got it about where I want it. I got a good seasoning all through it. Most of the smoke is burnt off at this point. So you're now ready to start cooking. So a nice simple thing to do is I've got some sausage here. My daughter, oldest daughter, is an ag ed teacher, and her group this year raised some pigs, and this is homemade sausage from those pigs that she grew on her farm, at her school farm. We've got that. So here's my chopper. Let's start chopping it up. I turned my grill down overall. I'm going to let that start to cook. And then last but not least, little cheese. Now, I'm a kind of guy that's basically at the point where I'm ready to put the cheese in, I'm ready to turn off the grill. So, still got plenty of heat going. And there we go. We got some eggs, sausage, and that. Scoop that into your serving container or plates or whatever it is that you're going to do. My grill is off. It's starting to cool down. Serve that up. And there you go. Clean our grill. So I use my scraper. They make an actual scraper too, but I use the chopper for it. It makes it great. Basically scraped off all my food. I've wiped out all my crumbs and all that stuff. Now, some people, when it's cool enough to help get a little of the grease or the whatever, they'll take a little bottle of water. That'll help to catch, kind of clean the thing off. You want to make sure you get all that water off, because remember, this is steel. Okay, and then once you're done and it's cleaned off real good, take a thin layer of oil and put it on. So I'm just going to put a little bit on. And that's just going to keep that primed. It will help keep it from developing rust. wiping down all of your interior surfaces. Don't want anything to rust, so wipe it all the way around, inside and out. Just a thin layer. And that's it. I've cleaned my grill. So I'm now going to let this sit and cool off, and that'll take 20-30 minutes to cool off. Once that's fully cooled off, I'm ready to unhook everything. I'm ready to flip this upside down, and I'm ready to store it. So I hope you got a lot out of all of this. I love my Blackstone. It's a great cooking, great for camping and all that. And enjoy. Happy camping.